Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Cheese Remedy. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to come up with this face pack using mint leaf. This face pack will help to remove pimples from your face. It will help to clear acne, pigmentation. It will leave your face glowing and supple. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys for oily skin type, all skin type, and for sensitive skin. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till the end. So this is my mint leaf. I'm going to be using about one bunch of mint leaf. Aside using mint leaf for health related issues, mint leaf can also be used for your creams and for your soaps. So here is my mint leaves. I'm going to go ahead to separate it from the stem. So guys, I appreciate you all, my returning subscribers. God bless you all for always coming around, for always watching my videos. Coming across my video for the first time, I say you are highly welcome to this beautiful family. Here in this channel we share DIYs, natural remedies, and lots more. So here is our mint leaf, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and add it a generous amount of water because we are going to wash off dirt. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell so anytime I upload a new video you will get notifications. Subscription is of course free. It doesn't cost you anything to hit that subscribe button. All you just need to do is just to click that subscribe and the bell beside it. Turn it on so anytime I upload a new video you will get notifications. And please don't forget to like this video if you enjoy what you are seeing. Like, share, and also drop your sweet comments. So here is our washed mint leaf. So I'm going to go ahead and use my mortar to pound this mint leaf. So you can use your blender. Of course, what we want to achieve is a smooth paste. So I prefer using my mortar because this remedy is grandma's secret. So in those days there were no blender, so they used their mortar to pound anything blendable. So our mint paste is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and show you 3 different face pack you can come up with this mint paste. So stay tuned and make sure you watch this video till the end. So we are going to go first with the oily skin face pack. So you're going to get a bowl, add in 1 teaspoonful of mint paste. And the next thing I'm going to be adding to this mint paste is turmeric powder. So turmeric is very good when it comes to your skincare. It contains anti-inflammatory properties that helps to remove blemishes, sunburn from your skin, and leaves your skin glowing. If you are looking to glow your skin, then try out this turmeric and mint paste and watch your face glow like never before. So I'm going to go ahead and mix the 2 ingredients combined together. So this recipe can be used 3 times weekly and can be stored in your refrigerator at least for 3 to 4 days. So you are going to be using your brush to apply it on your face, or you use your bare hands to apply it on your face. After applying it on your face, you leave it on your face for at least 15 minutes before you wash off. So let's go over to the second face pack. So this recipe is for all skin type. If you have oily skin, you have sensitive skin, this one is for you. So you are going to get a bowl as well. Add in 1 teaspoonful of mint paste. Don't forget to like this video and share with your family and friends. So the next thing we are going to be adding to this is oatmeal powder. Oatmeal powder helps to remove dead cells from your face. It leaves your skin glowing. It's a very good exfoliant that helps to exfoliate your face naturally. So I'm using 1 teaspoonful of oat powder, and the next thing I'm going to be adding is cucumber juice. So I'm going to be using 1 teaspoonful of cucumber juice. So I use this cucumber juice as a face toner. So you are going to go ahead and mix all the ingredients combined together. So all these ingredients combined together will leave your face so glowing and so supple, without pimples, without blemishes or wrinkles. So here is our second face pack for all skin type. So this will help to clean and exfoliate your skin, removing dead cells from your skin. So you are still going to use your brush to apply this as well, or you use your bare hands to apply this on your face. This recipe can be used every day. So after applying it on your face, you leave it on your face for at least 30 minutes before you wash it. So let's go over to the last recipe for sensitive skin. So we are going to get a bowl for mixing. I'm going to go ahead to add the last batch of the mint paste. You can as well apply only this mint paste on your face. It will also help to exfoliate and remove pimples from your face. So keep on watching. So the next thing we are going to be adding is aloe vera gel. I'm going to be using half teaspoonful of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very good for sensitive skin. It contains anti-aging properties that will help you to look younger than your age. It will help to remove pimples from your face. It will also help to reduce the appearance of wrinkles on your face. So the next thing I'm going to be adding is rose water. So I'm using half teaspoonful of rose water. This contains also glycerin. This will help to glow your skin. So I'm going to go ahead to mix all the ingredients together. So this recipe will help to moisturize your skin as it contains rose water. So when you are done mixing the ingredients together, your face pack is ready. So keep on watching because I'm going to show you guys how to apply one of the recipes. So if you have sensitive skin, if you want to glow your skin, then this is for you. So here is our 3 different face pack for oily skin, for sensitive skin. So I'm going to be applying the one for all skin type. So before you apply any of this face pack, make sure you wipe your face or you wash your face thoroughly before you apply any of this face pack. So I'm just going to go ahead to apply it on my face. You really need to try out this face pack. So here it is after 30 minutes. As you can see, my face is already glowing. So here I've washed it off already. So I'm going to be applying a moisturizer. So I will advise you to try out this recipe. This recipe is tested and trusted. With this recipe, you don't need to cover your face with makeup, to cover those blackheads, to cover those pimples. So this will leave your face glowing, free of pimples, 100% natural with no side effects. So guys, this is all I have for you guys today. I appreciate you for staying this far. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you and bye bye.